for him, sports has brought people together. Sports was the first time I was ever around someone white, he said. I got an opportunity to see them and learn about them, and they got the opportunity to learn about me, and we became very good friends. And I was like, oh wow, this is all because of sports. Read more on both of those if you like at CNN's cover line from Kate Bennett. With your broadcast morning briefing, I'm Patrick Freese.
Another broadcast update is 30 minutes away.
On POTUS.
It's not red, not blue. Red, white, and blue. POTUS.
It's the morning briefing on POTUS Sirius XM 124. I am Tim Farley along with Team Farley, Jennifer McClellan, executive producer of the program, Shannon Lynch, associate producer. Feeling much better today, by the way. Good to hear that. Also, we have coming up the Michael Smerconic program today. He'll be here at 9 o'clock East, taking you through the 3 hours. He's back in the chair today. I'm back with midday briefing at noon. We have a couple things to watch. The president today will be, among other things, meeting with the Secretary of Housing and Urban Development, Ben Carson. He also has a meeting with inner city pastors. That's a pool spray opportunity, so we may hear some comments from the president. That's coming up a little before 2. He meets with Republican members of the Senate later on, too, so there may be some opportunities for audio from that. Nothing on a briefing today, nothing on the schedule at this point. There's also an important hearing today. They're all kind of important, but in this one, foreign influence on social media. The Senate Intelligence Committee is having a hearing on that today. There's also environmental protection and economic growth being combined in a hearing, and there's a NASA science missions hearing today. Commerce Committee in the Senate, so lots to put an ear on, which we will do for you. Don't forget Julie Mason this afternoon. I think Julie's going to have Doug High and Tracy Seffel in the studio in the 4 o'clock hour today. That's something that always gets a lot of interest in Twitters and tweets and so on. And anyway, so she'll be here with guests